Hey guys, welcome to my channel already, and today we're gonna test out how to make a Jason mask. So we're gonna use spray paint. So already saying the mask, I know you can see a little bit, but I had to fix it. So shake it a couple times. Alright, go a little far. Now spray it. Don't worry, it'll be fine. Now when it dries for a couple of hours, and I'll get to what you need to use, okay? Okay, once it dries, now we can use whatever. I use part 9. We're not making a part 9, so cut it a little bit. Okay. There you go. It's found at JDF Studios, and you can see it on the screen. You have to wear gloves for the X-Acto knife. Don't only use 2 of them, and don't put one on because it will actually cut you with only 1 glove. The X-Acto knife. Good. Now we're gonna make scratches for it. Now, I think it's good. Alright. Now, we're gonna get some. Use a rag for the paint, or you can use your fingers. Count. Now, take my gloves off so I don't get paint on it. Alright. First, we're using brown. Finish the paint good. Now we're gonna get a damp rag for black. And I'm gonna get water for it. Like my paint right here. It's okay, I'll wash my hands. Alright. Get clear cloths for it. Go a little far. Shake it. And we'll dry for a couple hours. And then we'll check and get this dressed. It's finished. Now I'm gonna send this to my coworkers from my dad's office. Looks pretty cool. Now I like it now. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. And if you're interested in that mask, go check out all these videos for all these masks that I created.
Subscribe to my channel, please.